Hello, I'm Luca Giorgi, Prodium Business Unit Manager from Powersoft. We are here in Frankfurt at Prolight Sound 2014, and we have been launching our new series of amplifiers. As you can see, there are two models. I'm sure that somebody else has introduced you the product, but let's go deeper inside the machines. We have the X8 with 8 channels and the X4 with 4 channels. We are talking about amplifiers with an output power rated at 5,200 watts per channel at 2 ohms or 3,000 watts per channel at 4 ohms. Each couple of channels is bridgeable, but there are some unique features that are the fact that this is an all-in-one tool that is integrating inside the same product a power distro, a patch bay, and a very powerful amplifier and processing platform. Let's go to the power supply. It's the 6th generation of power supply that is coming out from Powersoft. And we can say that this is a truly universal power supply in the sense that it can work in single phase, dual phase, 3-phase, in delta or star configuration with or without the neutral line. And in addition to this, it can also adapt the mode of operation on the basis of what happened from outside. So you lose the neutral line, the amplifier will continue working. In addition to this, it's very important, especially in a 3-phase, to balance the load of the amplifier among the different phases. And this is also an operation done by the power supply. Then there is a very high flexibility in terms of input and output acceptance. Input acceptance means that the 8 channel can have 8 analog inputs, 4 stereo digital AS3 inputs, and 2 Dante streams that can be taken all together inside the amplifier, used in a matrix, and mixed, if needed, with different level, and then forwarded in the output. And in the output means that you can take each single combination of the input and send to the Dante audio stream in output that can go to another amplifier. So really you have a patch bay integrated inside the amplifier. On the processing part, we have a Texas Instrument DaVinci DSP that is 10 times roughly more powerful than a Shark processor, DSP. And this is already prepared for, it's a future-proof design, because in the future we believe that there will be a lot of processing power needed in order to take into account the interaction between the PA and the environment. On the front panel you can see that despite of the fact that it's a complex platform, there are no display, but a very basic set of buttons where you can mute each single channel, and you can get from the outer ring different information like signal presence, protection, alarm, or any other thing. But if you want to have more detailed information about what is going inside, by pushing this button, you activate a Wi-Fi that can allow a user with an iPhone, an iPad, an Android smartphone or device to have in front of him essentially the display of the amplifier. The USB is used for changing the preset or upgrading the firmware of the amplifier. And we believe that this will be the next platform for the next 10, 15 years in touring amplification. Thank you very much.